Boart Longyear. We're a services and a products company. We manufacture drill rigs and consumables for the market. For our services side of the business, we operate in 17 countries globally. We have 4,000 to 5,000 employees. Globally, we have about 600 drill rigs operating. This business requires 24/7 connection, and John doesn't stop looking at the whole data. He's monitoring his KPIs every day, talking to his guys every day, and that's the business. When we were first on drill rigs 25 years ago, very simplistic, rudimentary, little to no training.
There was no visibility on your production, your financial performance. It was, you had a notepad with your reports, and in Africa, if there's no internet, the driver would come every week, you'd give them your paper reports, and you'd see nothing. So you always have that lag. But now that we moved to Krux, we have that admin on site entering the data every morning. So now I can pull up the platform, I can see it.
Now it's a professional process. You bring people on, you onboard them, you train them how to use the technology that's incorporated into the drill rigs. And our team in Poland can dial in and do the telematics, understand the preventative maintenance lists that are popping up on that rig. It could be in Argentina. And then, down to the bit face, same thing. Like, we want to have that drill string telling us everything that it can possibly tell us downhole. So data is vital to ensure that we can continuously improve not only our internal teams, but our service to the customer, in this case, the large mining houses. John's constantly steering holes, giving customers exactly what they want, making suggestions based on data that improves their costs and improves their return on the investment they make on us from a strategic partner perspective. And then you can actually be analytical. You can look at what's happening per driller, and this driller might need some training because they're not doing this, or the data from the Krux system saying this guy's using bits at a higher rate than someone else. So it can pinpoint an opportunity for improvement. And not only can we see it, our customer can see it. Mm-hmm. So they're looking at the same data that's coming from the system where the driller's entering it by the Krux platform. So you're speaking the same language. The customer knows what's going on. We know what's going on. And the invoice is populated. There's no ambiguity. Like, we're all aligned before you get to the invoicing stage. So it's shortening our days sales outstanding and allowing us to be more efficient and collect cash. So that's good for any business.